Hello kids, now we learn counting number 1 from 10 with your favorite colors. Let's get started.
1 one, 2 two, 3 three, 4 four, 5 five, 6 six, 7 seven, 8 eight, 9 nine, and 10 ten. Let's again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.